I am going to give you a quick demonstration of increasing the color in a low color image. First of all, we'll go to the photo menu and we will start a new file of 5 by 4. Now, I do this because instead of going and just opening the photograph and bringing it in, I'm bringing it up at the maximum resolution. So I know I'm going to get a decent sized file. Now, the aspect ratio is not the same as the original photograph. To import a photograph into iColorama, into a document that's already open, you click on Effects and then Blend, and at bottom right of the thing there's a preset button, and to the left of that there is the photo button. You click on that and you can select your photo. I have a snow scene here. Now, the aspect ratio is different. I mean, it's like a letterbox in comparison, but I know that this is a good width and I can crop this. So we'll apply this, and the crop in iColorama is under Form, and you go Crop and bring the bottom and top up to match your your photograph, and then you click Apply. And I have left a gap on the right and on the left. So I will go back into the crop tool and just take a hair off the top and a hair off the left. I can nearly speak. And there we are. And again, it's still got a little annoying thing. The trouble with the crop thing is that the actual crop boundary hides where you actually are when you're dealing with little things like that. That is it clear now, clean. So before we do the color adjustment, I'm going to show you the steps menu. There's the opening image, there's the imported one, and there's my crop things. You can go back through your history. There you can see the gaps, and there's the original. And at any stage you can actually go back and save off anything that you want, and this is very, very valuable. I've had very undisciplined, I've just created sometimes images on top of previous ones, and I've ended up with more than 600 steps. But anyway, let's now get on to increasing the saturation of the colour in this and bringing out the colour. It's quite a simple process. You go to the Adjust menu, and there is a vibrance button. You can increase the vibrance and saturation. Now you need to be careful that you don't overdo it. I mean, that's unnatural looking. So you're sliding your slider left and right. Really, the only colour in this is the little touch of blue up there on to the left of the right hand trees. So that's one way of doing it. Now, if you want to back out of a tool, you can either go to another tool or you can hit Input. That takes you out of a tool. And another maybe quicker way of doing this would be just hit on Channels. And that actually gave us a more global increase in the colour. You may notice a little blue has appeared between the trees on the left. So that's maybe a better way of doing it. So there's always in computing and doing things, there's more than one way to do it. It's there's an acronym for that, TIMTODI. Right, okay, so we'll apply that. And we have also, if and before ending this very brief introductory video, I will show you how to sharpen an image. It's achieved also on the adjust menu with the high. Now, the first preset, if you look at the preset menu down here, there's a load of different presets of different ways of doing it. The first one rather bleaches out the image, and this can be reduced by reducing the opacity of what you're doing, but you're also you want the sharpening in the trees, so it's blowing out the sky, but the solution is to go to preset 2, which doesn't have the same bleaching effect, and then you can just move the sharpness slider to the right and make the tree branches really crisp. And we'll just apply that, and then you go save and save as PNG, I usually do. That gives you a better quality of image than a JPEG. Okay, I'll just leave it at that.